Let's examine how the Delivery Max driving distance validation feature works. To activate this option, it's require valid Google Map API key. Start by navigating to your app settings. Select Local Delivery Settings. Scroll down to the Distance Validation module and select Delivery Max Driving Distance. This feature requires a valid Google Maps API key. You can also customize route calculation preferences, such as avoiding highways, tolls, or ferries, and choose between the fastest or shortest driving route. After apply your API key and routing settings, click Save button. Next, open your Locations page. Select your target store location, click Edit. Scroll down to the Local Delivery section. Under Max Distance field, enter the maximum driving distance in kilometers allowed for this location, for instance, 50 or 60 kilometers, then click Save. Now, let's switch over to the front end of your store and refresh the cart page. Once widget load, choose Local Delivery. Input your address or zip code to verify that they are within your specified driving distance. As you see in this image with blue route line, the Delivery Max driving distance option validates the customer's address by calculating the actual driving distance from your delivery location. The customer can proceed to check out only if their address is within the maximum driving distance configured for that location. Returning to App Settings page, you can also enable Address Auto-Completion checkbox. Click the Save button to update it. Go back to cart page and refresh it. Select the local delivery method once widget load. As soon as a customer begins typing their address into the storefront widget, an integrated Google dropdown will auto-suggest matching address.